Hey guys, Corey here from DIX Performance North, here to talk about the new Hardline series of front and rear bumpers from Iron Cross. The Hardline series is a very aggressive looking bumper for both front and rear. And I mean, come on, just look at how good that looks. They feature a matte black finish and a 3-year warranty as part of the all new and improved Iron Cross bumper program. The front bumper has lots of options for lighting sold separately, but it will hold 6 cube lights as well as Iron Cross's 40 LED kit, which comes with 2 of these 5.5-inch lights and a 21.5-inch light bar. If you already own a light bar or you don't want to use the Iron Cross kit, they've designed their bumpers to be able to use a wide variety of light bars and kits from third-party manufacturers. When designing these bumpers, Iron Cross kept daily life in mind, so you can actually still use all your front parking sensors, and the lower profile makes parking easy while still giving you that nice aggressive look. The Hardline rear bumper features the same matte black finish, has convenient corner steps, and has space for mounting backup cube lights, which makes a really nice set when you match them to the front. The all-new Hardline series bumper from Iron Cross is available today at DIX Performance North. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. To see some more content, go ahead and click right here. If you haven't subscribed yet and you'd like to, click the subscribe button to follow us and see any future content.